In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find and copy your YouTube channel ID. So what is a YouTube channel ID and how do we find it? So first things first, go to YouTube, log into your YouTube channel that you want to find the ID for. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on your channel image or icon here in the right-hand corner to bring up the settings. Once you're here, you then want to go to the settings option here that has the gear icon next to it. Once here under settings, you should see a sidebar here with some other options. You then want to click into advanced settings. Click into advanced settings and you will now see an option that has your user ID as well as your channel ID. Knowing your YouTube channel ID is just a helpful way of identifying what your channel is to other tools like vidIQ, TubeBuddy, Social Blade, or you may have a third party ask you what it is. Another alternative method, if you can't find it this way, is going to the URL youtube.com/account_advanced. I'll put that in the pinned comment below, but that'll take you exactly to where I am now to where you can find your channel ID. And that's it. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.